Hello guys, welcome to Techno-Lung Reviews. Are you a course creator, teacher looking for a lifetime deal on a platform where you can create and host your course or tutorial series and even sell those courses to students, customers, and so on? Then this video is just for you. Today we will review Acadle, where you can create live and video course content, organize it into customized learning paths, and embed courses in your SaaS app. It is an alternative to Kajabi and Teachable. Actually, Acadle is 10 times better in affordability than Kajabi and Teachable. You will find its lifetime deal at just $99 at Appsumo. If you need an extra 10% off, please watch the full video. Most interestingly, Kajabi and Teachable monthly prices are nearly the same as Acadle's lifetime deal. It offers 10 license tiers, starting from $99 to $990. Please check every plan with its features here. And if you need to know the detailed features of this tool, please read those. When I am reviewing, it shows a huge 272 reviews, and the count is increasing rapidly. If we look at the review section, we can see that almost all the reviews are good. This means that Acadle is a quality learning management software. Now, without further delay, let's jump into the dashboard of the Acadle. Here, you need to first give your academy name and set up an academy domain like this. Now click Create. In the dashboard, you will see different options. In the top navigation bar, you will see Dashboard, Courses, and so on. In the dashboard, there are Current User Status. Here you see your academy activities such as new signups and course competition. Today's activities. Here you will see the daily performance summaries like page visitors, new users, and so on. On the right, the overall rating shows us user course ratings. In the Courses option, you will see a Create New Course segment and Demo Courses. You can delete Demo Courses at any time from the User Area options with Clear Demo. We recommend checking demo classes, as it's a good way to learn how to structure your courses. Now, we will explore Create New Course. Click, and it will ask you to choose your course type. Add Normal Course. With it, you can build a static course with a combination of text, video, image, etc. Add Video Course. It will help you to build video recorded courses. Add Live Course. Schedule and stream live classes, product demos, etc. to as many users within your academy, depending on your LTD plan. Let's start with the Normal Course. Here, you need to give the course name, like SEO course. Course description, like this. Course duration, any. Choose groups. Select the user group to which the course will be available. Groups can be managed from the top menu, Users, Manage Groups. Let's create an SEO user group. Give the group name, and then click Add New Group. Now, assign your SEO group members to your SEO group. Update some of the group members like this. Moreover, you can filter, export, import, invite users, etc. there. If we refresh the Create Course page, we need to give the previous information. And now you will see the SEO group in the drop-down menu. On the right-hand side, you will see different options: hide duration, unlock on, and highlight. If I set it to new or featured, it will show the course as a new or featured course, and so on. Those options have different features. You can enable or disable it depending on your needs. Besides this, you can explore options like category and language. Next, you need to upload a course thumbnail image. Besides, you need to add tags related to the course. Finally, click Create to create the course. Here, you will get options like assessment, quiz, survey, lessons, etc. Now, we will create a lesson. Next, click on Create New Lesson. Give the title of the course, Introduction to SEO. Choose template, static or dynamic. Let's select dynamic. I use the What is Acadle template to make it easier. Unlock on? None. Now, set the public URL like this. Finally, save it. Now, we can edit the lesson. Need to give a title like this. Then we can give this description. Then, we can add an image by clicking on the plus icon to add an image. I can also add my video tutorial there like this. And now click Save to save this lesson. Now, let's create a quiz with Create New Quiz. give the quiz title, and explore other options, and save. Now, let's click on the quiz and set some questions. Question no, order. 1. Add question, like this. Score can be 1, negative score, use if you want. Answers, add options if needed. Now add all answers options like this. Now, click on the right answer, and finally, save it to make a quiz. In this way, you need to add more questions to the quiz. You can explore other options also if your course requires one. Now, we will explore the Add Video course. Here, you need to set up the course name and others like the previous one. Then it will lead you to your course dashboard. Now click on Create New Video Lesson. First, give a title like this, then create a custom URL. You can explore other options too. Now click Save. After that, you need to upload your video. You can embed a video, copy embedded code, and paste it there. Or you can upload a video. In the overview, you can give a lesson description and then save it. You can enable or disable the discussion and add your comment too. With this button, you can publish like this or unpublish it. You can add your next video lessons one by one. The third option is Add Live Course. Here, you need to set up the course name and others like the previous one. Here are some different options such as third party, go live within Academy, and pre-recorded. You need to choose or adjust as required. There are other options too. You can explore this too. Schedule the go live time and date like this, then create. After that, it will show the course to your student at a scheduled time. The next topic is setting. With the setting, you can change your Academy logo like this or your banner and so on, mainly white leveling it and make your own Academy. There are lots of other settings. Take your time and explore all the settings. So it is a complete review with a step-by-step tutorial on Acadle, a learning academy building tool. If you follow this video, you will not need any tutorials to use this tool. If you need this tool, then you can buy its lifetime deal from Appsumo at just $99. But depending on the users, team members, and storage variations, you can choose any plan you want. I give the lifetime deal link in the description of the video. Just go to the link and purchase it if you really need it. It is an affiliate link. If you purchase from this link, I will get a small percentage, and you get a 10% discount also. Moreover, if you really like this video, please subscribe to us and give us a like. And for more information, please visit www.technolung.com.